Hello, and welcome to the Cinema 4D Artist. One of the very useful for animation selection objects. To create it, select all your objects, go to Menu Select, Selection Filter, and then click Create Selection Object. We quickly rename this to My Selection. And in the list of this object are all the objects we have previously selected. Now switch the animation layout by clicking here, and select the animation. First we can do is restrict the keyframing to only the objects in the list of My Selection. To do this, go to the question mark, and click My Selection. Now we create a keyframe for one of these objects. You can see that all of the other objects in the list have been keyframed as well. Now we create another keyframe for two of these objects. Set key. Again, all of the objects have been keyframed even though only one selected. Exemption tube. The tube is not in the list of My Selection, therefore has not received any keyframes. The second function of the selection object is to restrict keyframe in the editor view. To do this, go back to the question mark, and select Restrict Editor Selection. Now we can select all the objects in the list, but not tube, because that was not in the list. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our tutorials, please like, comment and subscribe.